ambience of this apartment immediately sets a welcoming tone. Spacious, well lit, and designed for relaxation, this living room is the perfect place to unwind after a long day. The warm lighting and contemporary decor add to its charm. This apartment also has a kitchen fully equipped with modern appliances. This space is ideal for anyone who enjoys cooking their own meals. From the sleek countertops to the high-end stove, everything is designed for ease and efficiency. This apartment has two kitchens, one is in the first floor and another on the second floor. The bedroom is simple yet comfortable, providing all the essentials for a good night's rest. Clean bedding, a cozy atmosphere, and just the right amount of space to feel at home. The bathroom is clean and well maintained, featuring modern fixtures and 24 hours running water for a hassle-free experience, clean, functional, and designed for convenience. And the best features of this apartment is the private balcony, where enjoying a morning coffee or a peaceful evening. This space offers breath of fresh air and a view to relax with. Cooking your own food far away from home is always great. Today we are preparing a simple yet delicious dish using fresh ingredients. The joy of cooking in your own space adds a personal touch to every meal. From the sizzle of ingredients to the aromatic blend of flavors, the cooking experience here is effortless and enjoyable. And in just a few minutes, our meal is ready to be served. A well prepared meal, a comfortable space, and the joy of making something from scratch. That's the essence of home away from home. Whether you're staying for a short visit or a longer period, this apartment truly offers an ideal balance of comfort and independence. As the day winds down, the apartment transforms into a peaceful retreat, a place where every moment feels just right. And with that, our tour comes to an end. Would you choose to stay in a place like this? Let us know in the comments below. So that's all about our experience of self cooking in this apartment. See you soon in our next video, and thanks for watching.